Hello everyone, let's see how the pulverized coal burners exported to Thailand operate. This pulverized coal burner is designed with an 8-ton steam boiler, with a power of 580 Q. It is used in a feed enterprise in Thailand. The complete combustion system adopts Siemens PLC and touch screen control. During the operation of the system, the pulverized coal is transported from the large silo to the intermediate silo, from the intermediate silo to the pulverized coal burner, and then the temperature is regulated by the flue gas returned. The entire system meets customer process requirements. As a rare and intelligent pulverized coal burner with high efficiency, stable combustion, energy conservation and consumption reduction in local areas. Once put into use, it has attracted many local entrepreneurs to visit and inspect the site. It has received widespread praise. Choose non-standard burners. Choose Tangshan Jinsha. Professionalism builds strength. Strength wins public praise.